So a persona can be a virtual person. A persona can be a character that an actor displays. It's a part of something, part of a human being. I would say it's sort of, what I would say it's sort of the story that a student will bring to the enterprise. And as I probably told you before, students do not tell instructors or teachers or professors everything. They tell those people very little, right? They do not bring that much. So the persona is only a part of a personality or that sort of thing. So the idea of the persona here is that, let's say if we're compiling a C2 memory. Okay, so those of you who've gone to the Monday night and watched the Monday night talks, those students, how long have those students been learning Chinese?
4 years, 2 to 4 years.
Right. How much? 3 to 4 years? Yeah, 3 to 4 to 5 years. So, that range. Okay. And so where they are in terms of their C2 memory compilation, they're far away from beginning students, but they're not at the end of the road. Right? The end of the road would be called death. Okay. So they've got all things to go. But this persona will develop and expand over time. So I think Ulaushi and other people all of us who work in universities can verify that an entering freshman coming to a first level Chinese class will change a lot in terms of the persona by the time he or she gets to the upper level classes. University students change a lot. It's one of the interesting things about being a professor is to watch people kind of come into the university as one kind of human being and leave it as another kind of human being. It happens a lot. It's either one of the, I generally think it's a good thing. It's one of the good things about being a professor. But the idea of the persona is that as you go through this cycle, that persona becomes more complicated, becomes more nuanced, within the C2 culture, within the second language culture. And I will say very frankly that who you are in your base culture is not who you will appear to be in the second culture. So the claim here is students of language and culture, whether Chinese students learning English or American students learning Chinese, they are going to basically have to build a persona that they can live with, that they feel comfortable with in the second culture, but it isn't going to ever be an exact replica or copy of themselves. Right? So this idea of persona is it's a way of thinking about our students, about our learners, that can give us a little bit more understanding, a little bit more hope, all sorts of things.